What's going on, guys? It's Marcel Benson, investor and entrepreneur, and I am back with another video. This is about how being boring will make you millions. So, I know we don't really like boring stuff, right? Boring is boring, you know what I mean? But boring is the thing that helps us transcend. It's the thing that helps us get to that next level and actually accomplish all the things that we set out to accomplish. Now, when you decide that you want to start trading, I know that you went through this process. Tell me if I'm lying that you didn't go through this process. You set a goal about how much money you wanted to make. You pulled out your little notebook and your pen and you wrote it down. You even did the math and broke down how much money you needed to make per day to hit that annual goal. But what did you start doing? You started to complicate the process. You started to veer off the track. You started doing things that went against your program, that went against what you said. And what I've realized about life, and I'm not free of this, right? Even at the level that I'm at, I still fall victim to this at times. But we just want to always make sure that majority of what we do is what we said we were going to do. Majority of how you move should be how you said you wanted to move when you were in your quiet time and making those plans, because that was when God was moving through you. That was when you were making real decisions. That's when you were very clear and knew exactly what you were talking about. But somehow along the day, somehow along the way, you can find that anxiety creeping up. You can try to go and overcompensate and make more than what you set out to make. You can start trying different strategies that may not be aligned with what you've perfected. I want to remind you, stay boring, dog. Stay boring. Boring is cool. And this goes beyond trade now. I'm talking from the heart. This is in everything. Stay boring, dog. Stay boring. Boring is going to get you in shape. Boring is going to keep you disciplined. Boring is going to help that relationship work out. Boring is going to get you big money in your business. Boring is going to allow you to become the best trader that you can become. There are setups in the market that appear every single day. But there's something in our mind that's like, nah, there's no way that this is going to work every single day. So it's like, all right, if I tried that and it worked 3 times, maybe I should switch it up now. And it's like, if it's not broke, don't fix it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Let's find one setup. Matter of fact, here's a challenge for you, right? For the next 30 days, find one setup, one strategy, take that. It doesn't have to be multiple trades. Find one setup, one strategy, one trade, 30 days, and clock your progress. Don't over risk, don't over leverage, don't overcompensate. One trade, 30 days, one shot, one kick. And let me know how that goes for you. All right, again, I want to remind y'all, be boring. Be boring. Do the same thing over and over consistently and watch the gains pile up. Look, it's always love over here. I truly appreciate everybody that's in the group. If you're not in the group and you're looking for a trading community to join, y'all chime in. Let them know how we do. Let them know how it goes. $40 per month for a community that supports, has wins, even losses sometimes, but even in those losses, you got a community of people that are right there showing you exactly where you messed up, how you can do things a little bit differently. The support is real. And again, everybody in the group, shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all. And if you're new, hit the link in the description below to join. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.